Hi everyone, here we've got OPPO A52 and let me show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode. So first of all, let's open the settings. Then let's scroll down to Do Not Disturb mode. And here, as you can see, we've got the Do Not Disturb mode turned on. If you want to turn it off, simply click on the switcher here. And under the first position, we've got a lot of options to customize. For example, we can make some exceptions. For example, allow messages only from contacts, for example. What's more, we can schedule our feature and we can set the start time, for example, till the end. Let's click on done. And to turn on the scheduled plan, simply click here on the switcher, and from now on we've got our schedule applied. If you want to turn on Do Not Disturb mode faster, after all of the customizations, simply unroll the top bar once and twice. Then let's go to the right and find Do Not Disturb icon. After clicking on that, let's turn on. After clicking on that, as you can see, we've just activated Do Not Disturb mode. To turn it off, click on it again. So that's all. This is how you enable Do Not Disturb mode in your OPPO A52. And if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.